Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.71 AR FE engine is a member of Toyota's AR engine family, which was introduced in 2008. It's a naturally aspirated inline four engine known for its use in various Toyota and Lexus models, particularly those targeting the North American market. Engine overview and history. The 1AR FE is a 2.7-liter, 2,672 cubic centimeters gasoline engine. It features a die-cast aluminum engine block and aluminum DOHC cylinder head with 16 valves. It incorporates dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both intake and exhaust camshafts for improved efficiency and performance. Other low-friction technologies include an offset crankshaft and roller rockers. A notable feature is its use of a timing chain. The AR series, including the 1AR FE, was developed to replace some of the two AZFE engines and fill the gap between smaller four cylinders and larger V6s in Toyota's lineup. It was first released in the Toyota Venza and Highlander in late 2008 and continued production, unofficially ending around 2020, eventually being replaced by newer engines like the A25 AFKS. Applications. The 1AR FE engine has been used in a range of Toyota and Lexus vehicles, primarily front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive models, including Toyota Venza, 2008 to 2017, Toyota Highlander, 2009 to 2019, Toyota Sienna, 2010 to 2020, Lexus RX 270, 2012 to 2015. Opinions and review. Generally, the 1AR FE is considered a reliable and durable engine, characteristic of Toyota's engineering. Many owners report high mileage on these engines, 200,000 plus miles, without major issues, especially with diligent maintenance. It provides adequate power for the vehicles it's typically found in, offering a balance of performance and efficiency for everyday driving. Advantages. Reliability. True to Toyota's reputation, the 1AR FE is largely a robust and dependable engine, capable of high mileage. Dual VVTi. This technology helps optimize valve timing for better power delivery across the RPM range and improve fuel efficiency. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain instead of a belt, which generally doesn't require regular replacement, saving on maintenance costs. Good for its purpose. Provides sufficient power for larger crossovers and minivans, without being overly complex or thirsty for a 2.7 engine. Hydraulic lifters. Reduces the need for valve lash adjustments. Disadvantages. Oil consumption. One of the most frequently reported issues is excessive oil consumption, particularly at higher mileages. This is often attributed to issues with low-tension piston rings getting gummed up. While not always a catastrophic failure, it requires diligent oil level monitoring and topping off. VVTi rattle on startup. Some owners report a rattle on startup, often related to the VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, gears lock pin. While it can be concerning, it's not always indicative of immediate engine failure, especially at very high mileages. Power output. While adequate, some drivers might find the 2.7's power a bit lacking for heavier loads or aggressive driving, especially compared to the V6 options available in some of the same vehicles. Complex timing chain replacement. While the timing chain generally lasts the life of the engine, if it does need replacement, it can be a very labor-intensive and costly job due to the design integrating the oil pump into the timing chain cover. Common faults and breakdowns. Oil consumption. As mentioned, this is the most common complaint. It typically manifests as the engine burning more oil than usual, requiring frequent top-ups. VVTi actuator rattle. A distinct rattling noise on cold startup, which usually subsides quickly. This is often caused by a failing VVTi actuator or a loose lock pin within the VVTi gear. Valve gasket leaks. With high mileage, valve cover gaskets can harden and lead to oil leaks. Piston slap. Some engines may develop a piston slap noise, especially when cold, due to piston design and wear over time. Rare but possible issues. While less common, like any engine, it can experience issues such as worn main bearings or other internal component where at very high mileages or due to neglected maintenance. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the 1AR FE varies depending on the vehicle it's in, driving conditions, and transmission. For a vehicle like the Toyota Venza or Highlander, official specs combine around 9.1 L/100 km, 25.8 mpg US/30.9 mpg UK. Real-world, combined user data often shows higher consumption, ranging from 10 to 12 L/100 km, around 19 to 23 mpg US/23 to 28 mpg UK, in mixed driving, with city driving naturally being higher. For example, some sources indicate urban consumption can reach 14.7 L/100 km, 16 mpg US. Factors like driving style, maintenance, and climate can significantly impact actual fuel economy. Timing. The Toyota 1AR FE engine uses a timing chain system, specifically a single-row roller chain. This is a significant advantage over timing belts, as timing chains are designed to last the lifetime of the engine and generally do not require periodic replacement. However, issues with timing chain components like tensioners or guides can rarely occur at very high mileages, leading to rattling noises. The dual VVTi system also relies on actuators that can occasionally develop issues, leading to rattles. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota typically recommends using 5W30 engine oil for the 1AR FE. Some sources also list 0W20, 5W20, or 10W30 as suitable alternatives depending on climate and specific model year. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendation. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.4 liters, 4.6 US quarts, with a filter change. It's always best to check the dipstick after adding the recommended amount and adjust as needed. Versions. The 1AR FE is part of the larger Toyota AR engine family, while the 1AR FE itself is a specific 2.7 variant. These engines share some common design principles and components with the 1AR FE, but have different displacements, power outputs, and fuel delivery systems tailored to specific vehicle applications. In summary, the Toyota 2.71 AR FE engine is a workhorse known for its longevity and general reliability, making it a solid choice for families and those prioritizing dependability. However, potential owners should be aware of the propensity for oil consumption at higher mileages and monitor oil levels diligently. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.